morning, Rob. This is a really quick and dirty how-to on getting access to the materials. So this is the home page for legal research and writing. As you can see the cursor here from Southern Cross. Going down the left-hand menu, we've got warm-up unit, announcements, getting started, contacts, unit outline, unit content. Under the unit content section, I've just clicked on the unit content section. We go to the lecture recordings and slides. Now this is a little small, so I'll try and expand it. Notice that this is an MP4, so that's indicative that it's a video. So if you click on the downward white chevron on the grey circle, click for more options and then select open. This will start the video once it loads. You won't be able to hear the audio, but if you click forward, there you go. Now, over in the far right bottom corner, there's an expand. In here, select download. You can see that it downloads, and once that's downloaded, it's a relatively small video compared to some seconds for 8 minutes. There we have it. You can now expand. I always prefer showing folder. And you can see this has gone to the downloads file. Right click, cut, because you don't want to bulk this up like I have. And then I go to my preferred file saving place. So I have the file structure on my main hard drive for law, the subject, the unit, and under the unit I now go right click, so that's right click on a Microsoft mouse and paste, and MP4, then double click on the video, and as you can see it's there. I'm going to close that now, and that's the end of the video. So